So here's what's happening. If we look at some of the really weird adverts on the Guardian, fake Guardian adverts on Facebook. Here's the domain name, right? Sigma Nook. Then there's all the affiliate nonsense about which marketing campaign and what they clicked on, etc. If I go to the root of that, it comes up to the Reebelo website. And not the US one, the Canadian one. Now, what does that mean? What is this site? Obviously, it's just pointing at Cloudflare. But Reebelo.ca isn't. It's on Amazon. So why is this Sigma Nook thing? Or Cypher Looms or any of these? So it starts out as a BBC scam. You go to the root of it. And suddenly it's Reebelo Canada. And it really does appear to be, you know. Reebelo.ca. And this is their page. This isn't a simulated page. It hasn't changed at all. So somehow this Cypher Looms thing and this Sigma Nook that's being used by Facebook scammers is some sort of proxy that forwards people through to Reebelo.ca, and that is definitely their website. You can see it's got all the correct prices, acceptable. As soon as you click that, it takes you straight through to what that advert is. So somehow it's proxying this at the root. But why? It's not the same server. It's going through Cloudflare. Any ideas, please let me know in the comments what all this Sigma Nook and Cypher Looms stuff is. Because it starts out as your typical boiler room scam, free registration for free money, and then they take your house kind of scam. But at the same time, it is actually some sort of weird proxy through to a Canadian mobile phone refurbishment site, and a big one as well. I mean, they're a massive company. So if anyone's got an explanation as to what's going on here, we would love to hear it.